Welcome to District 11 CRM. In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to add an account in just a few steps. First, go to Sales, click on Accounts, and then hit the Add Account button. Next, fill in the details. Account name, mobile number, email, number of employees, industry of your client, currency, for opportunities and invoices, address, country, state, region, zip code, website, bio, description. Once you've entered all the necessary information, double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Then click Save, and that's it. Your account is now created. In one place, you can see all the information linked to your client's account, including contacts, opportunities with their status, tasks, and leads. Plus, you can edit the information anytime as needed. Stay tuned for more quick tips to make the most of District 11 CRM.